All right, guys, I'm super excited because I'm out here today with the beautiful sun at the skate park, and there's this beautiful bank right here, and I'm gonna try and learn a new trick. A trick that I've never done before. I don't think I've ever done. I just had this random idea to do sort of like a half cab Casper, sort of like 180 out. I don't even know what you would call this. But my idea is to go up fakie, do like a half flip, land in like Casper mode, and then like sort of flip it around, and then and of course I almost fall standing up explaining the trick. So I'm gonna do a little warm-ups, and then we're gonna get into the trick, and I'm gonna try and learn this in hopes that somebody out there gets inspired to learn a new trick and push through whatever mental, physical barrier you have that's inhibiting you from learning a new trick. Okay, we're gonna start out with an 180. I love banks also. I just want that to be known because they give a lot of variations. You can land and pivot like this and then still roll away. There's something about a bank that just makes it fun. Shout out Wells Fargo. Kick flip, first try. Backside flip. Not really, but okay. Frontside flip maybe? Why do I only flip at 90? Big spin? Don't 90 this, Aaron. Do not. A little better than 90. Woo! Should we take that or run it back? Run it back. Why, Aaron? Just spin it all the way. You got it. I'll count it. I'll take it. Now fakie. I should be going off the tail, but I'm not. Wow, that was really bad, but I still landed it somehow. Mongo push. Mongo push it up, guys. Woo! Okay, so in preps for this trick, I'm gonna try and do like a half Casper like thing. Technically for this to count, I believe I would need to be like that, land like that, and not let this heel touch. But to be completely honest, if the heel touch, the heel touch. Yee! Almost first try. Not bad, I'll take it. Dang. Dang it. Normally this is not the part I have a hard time with, but I am. So we're gonna do it on flat ground real fast. Just like that. Easy, right? Let's run it back. Get your foot under there, pop it with the toes, bring it up and around. And the back foot back is kind of a scooping motion. Land. Now just do it on the bank and we're good. Don't fear the reaper. Whoa! Kinda, not really, but kinda. Wow, bodied. Okay, we got it. That was it. I know, like I said at the beginning, technically, I would want to land it with no heel on the ground. It was full heel. Braille skateboarding on YouTube. Okay, we'll see you next time. My heel was fully on the ground. You know, whatever, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some, I'll take it. Like that, and then boom. So now I'm gonna try and do a fakie half cab into that. And then that's the basic trick. Why am I nervous, Derek?
Got it.
Should I do a half cab flip first? No, Aaron, don't. What? I mean, speed it up, right? How did I do that first try? It wasn't pretty, it wasn't good. We're not counting it, but it was first try. Dang, I almost died. Okay, right here, let's run this. I feel like there's a really cool trick that I could do, a sort of half feather flip thing out of this. Wow! See, it's just the lightest, ever so slightest flick, and then I gotta keep my back foot on the tail. That's where the control point's at. Oh boy! That felt cool, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't mad at it. Was it a little slow though, is my question. Was the stall a little bit too stalled out is the question. What do you think, Derek?
Pretty good to me.
Now I'm thinking, I gotta up the ante. Now, this is a really bad idea. Well, usually when you land the trick, you just end it, but I wanna up the ante. I wanna do, go up fakie, boom, half flip, and then boom, down and revert in. Woo, sheesh! I need to somehow record this on the phone. Let's land it, boy, first try. I got overzealous. Okay, coming in hot, rolling up fakie, foot in the position, both feet ready. Holy ballerina, I almost died. Dang, what's scary? It's like extra slippery because it's all painted. And I was in there and then the Grim Reaper popped up and was like, ah! And then ah! Didn't land it. Right here, for you. Woo! Now, we see if the selfie cam recorded it. How was our angle there? Freaking missed it. Of course. I fully missed it, Derek. Of course, this is one of those tricks that I'm like, oh, it looks cool. And then I see it and I go, what are you doing with your life, Aaron? Just kidding. Okay, let's go this way. Why that Cheetos bag? There you go. There you go. Pick up the litter at the skate park. Let's run this. Wow, not enough gusto. Ouch! I got a shinner of Aurelius. Dang it. Derek, I had it. I had it so good it was dialed, now it's not. Dang, it'd be kind of sick to do this all in the air, like boosh, boosh. Half flip back, right? Okay, is this the stupidest trick in the world? This might very well be the world's stupidest trick. You know what happened to me, Derek? Is I was doing the trick and I thought, wow, this looks cool. And I didn't even see it because I kind of missed it, but what I did see did not look cool. Which happens a lot. Let's do it again. Okay, we'll take that. I was literally primed to pivot out and I didn't because I wanted to see what that looked like. I think what's stupid about it is that I'm not, like my heel touches the ground. Oh yeah, now we know we got the whole bank in there. That does look stupid. Let's do it with the revert and maybe it'll look even stupider. Okay, I'm recording it now. Whoa. Okay, let's run this. Ouch! It felt like I broke my toe. This one right here. Ugh. Okay, visualize. Can't even do it with my hands. Go like that, up, down, revert. Okay, we got this. What do you give me for first try? Oh, that was just first try. I know, I heard you.
I don't know this time. I'm out.
Enchilada burrito. What's your favorite item at Taco Bell? Leave it in the comments below.
Do you remember that, Enchilada?
Enchilada? What do you mean remember that?
Well, they don't even have them.
100% they have
They
it.
have them?
Absolutely.
Yeah, people don't even know them these days. Those
Okay.
are my favorite.
I'm landing it right here. We're getting in the car. We're going straight to Taco Bell and getting you an enchilada. Because I can't eat that. It'll give me diarrhea for 3 months. No, I wanted that enchilada. Okay. Oh, what? With the way that felt, I can guarantee you that is the world's stupidest trick. You know what? Skateboarding is not about unstupid. It's about having freaking fun. So you, yes you, Get out there, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com, and have an absolute blast. The best skateboarder is the one who has the most fun. Let's get it.